welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Angela, or you can call me Aditola. I cook, I sell food products, and I make video recipes like the one I'm about to do now. And I don't know if you can guess what we're going to be cooking today, but we're going to be making some nice Ofada sauce. So here I've got my array of ingredients like I normally do. The things I'm going to be using, I will show you, and I'll talk you through the process of me making this Ofada sauce. And yeah, I like fish a lot in my food, so this is going to feature a bit of tilapia. So I'll just take you through and just follow me along. So here I've got my blended pepper sauce. This is something I use my food processor for. If you've watched my remaining videos, you know I'm always on about my food processor. So this has got just bell peppers, scotch bonnet, and onion. So bell peppers are some sort of similar to what you call tatache, and I know some people use just scotch bonnet and onion to make their Ofada sauce, but that would be too hot considering the people I'm cooking for. So I always add a bit of bell pepper. This is mixed meat, so I've got my gizzard, my beef, my goat meat, and because when I make my sauce, and I like the meat to be like the amount that you can just chuck in your mouth and you don't have to keep cutting. So I've chopped it down a bit, I've steamed it, and it's got a bit of the stock in. And I did something different this time. I cooked my meat with the whole crayfish. So I rinsed it and I steamed it together because I figured that would give me an opportunity to get the most of the flavor. And I've got my fish, so I've got tilapia here, and I've just seasoned that with salt and left it to sit, and I'll just cook it in the sauce. And I've got my palm oil, my salt, locust beans, and Maggi, and this is literally all I'm going to be using. And because when I did the meat, I steamed it with some crayfish, the old crayfish. I haven't got crayfish here, but if you didn't do that, you can just add like the powdered crayfish at this point. And one thing with Ofada is that you have to bleach your palm oil. This is the part where I say don't try this at home, kids, but I'm going to show you the process I take in bleaching mine. So you have to bleach it, and that's when you now use it to make the Ofada sauce. It adds to the flavor profile of the sauce. So just follow me along. Okay, this is how I bleach my palm oil. So the pan is hot now, and I just pour the palm oil that I want to use in there. What I will do is I'll put this on the highest heat, and I'll cover it with the pot, or with the lid of the pot, and leave it like that for a few minutes. So I'll leave it for like on high heat for 3 to 5 minutes, and then I would slightly open it, put on the extractor fan, and let the smoke go away. And make sure you open all the windows in your kitchen. Like I would say, don't try this at home, kids, but open all the windows in the kitchen, because this can go really from 0 to 100 pretty quick. But I'm just going to let you see, this is on high heat now, and I've just covered it and left it, and you're going to see the product of how that turns out. And if you don't want to open the pot to see if it's bleached, you can literally see through the glass that it's literally steaming up. It has created, you can even smell it, the thing just goes to your throat. I'm not going to lie to you. So now I know this palm oil is bleached. And I'm going to drop the heat down to low, so like 2 or 3, and then you can just let it pass through here, to be honest, but I don't have the time to wait. So I'll open this slightly and do this. Don't try this at home. Yeah, but that's the palm oil, it's bleached now. And then if you're using onion, you can add the onions here. There's some people that don't like to see onion in their food, so you don't have to put it. But I'm adding my I'm adding my locust beans. and I'm going to fry it. And now that this has calmed down, yeah, I can return this back up to medium heat, which is 5 or 6. And that's fried. You just add your peppers. And like I always say, your Maggi and your salt is to taste, so it depends on you and your preference. I'll just put the salt and the Maggi in there. I'm going to stir, and I'm going to leave it to cook on medium heat for a while. So just cover it on medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then come back and check. Okay, so the sauce has been cooking for a while now, and I'm going to add my meat. I've cooked since. Let that. I'm going to add the meat, and I'm going to leave that to simmer together for a few minutes. I'm going to add the fish, but towards the end, because if the fish overcooks, it's going to break, and I want the fish to remain whole. So I'm going to put this together and leave it to steam for about 5 minutes, and then I'll add the fish and let it finish cooking. Okay, so I've left the meat in there to steam for a few minutes, and it's literally done. So I'll just put the fish and steam it for like 2-3 minutes, okay, 5 minutes for the fish to cook, and literally that's it. That's your Ofada sauce done. Yeah, and then I need to bury it in the stew so that it cooks properly. But fish has a penchant for scratching, and I really don't want the same to happen here. But yeah, I'll just cover this for a few minutes till the fish, just 5-10 minutes for the fish to cook, and then that's your Ofada sauce done. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Now our Ofada sauce is done. The fish is cooked. Remember to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more recipes, and if there's anything specifically you would like me to make, just drop a comment under this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed our Ofada sauce video. And like I say, that bleaching palm oil part, don't try this at home. Don't say I did not warn you. Alright, bye guys. Bye.